Congratulations, you received the Pierce County Healthy Home Kit. Congratulations. I've been doing this for a long time and I've never seen such a great kit. My name is Denise Frakes. I am a home and life coach and also a healthy home specialist. So I'm going to be introducing your kit to you today, and I'm also going to be doing a series of other little tiny videos to, for one, show you how to use your new HEPA filter. Congratulations. And a lot of the other things that are in the kit. First things first, I'm going to show you what's in the kit, and then you can watch these other videos. So in getting your kit, I have a little challenge for you. The very first thing I'd like you to do is go ahead and take your new HEPA filter out of the box. Sometimes it's unboxing that you're like, oh, I don't know if I want to start, but go ahead and start. There's a little handle at the very top of it, so when you open up the box, just grab the little handle and it'll pull right out of the box. It may take a little wiggling, but and then the other thing is go ahead and take things out of your bag and see what you have. So this is what you have. First of all, you have the air purifier. Love it. You also got replacement filters for your air purifier. It's recommended you change on this air purifier every 12 months. So next year, you're already golden. You already are set up for next year on that. A couple other things that came in your kit. You got an E-cloth microfiber. I'm going to have a video just on microfiber cleaning. You are totally going to want to watch this because not only is it going to save you time and energy in your work, but it's also going to make it so you don't have to use as much chemicals, and you're going to be able to create a healthy home. You have Murphy's oil soap, so I'm going to do a little talk about this and how to effectively dilute it and how to use it, when to use it. You have hand sanitizer. I'll have a little video on that, just a little tips on when to use, and how to use it safely, especially if you have a respiratory condition where rubbing alcohol might aggravate it. So how to be safe on that. And then finally, you have a lot of great resources. So it may seem a little like a lot of different things. Don't worry. Just know that you have at your fingertips so many different resources for the Pierce County area. Just flip through it at your leisure. If there's something in there that grabs your attention, that you're like, oh, I could totally use this, put that aside and put a little bit more time in looking at it. But what you'll find is there's things about mental health, emotional support. We all need that right now. I mean, over the last year, I don't know of anybody that didn't have a few overwhelming times. So just know that there's support for you by amazing people that are just trained in helping you just kind of get back on your feet and feel better. There is a sheet here that has the list of everything that's in your kit. A couple other things. There is tips on green cleaning, on healthy homes. If you are having financial difficulties, like a lot of people right now, so don't feel bad. Get some support. If you've ever had the ability to get support, now's the time. There's a lot of resources in there. There's information on COVID and the vaccinations. So just, have this, keep this at your fingertips. It may not be something you need, but you may have some friends and family that could use some of these resources. So you have that. Finally, you probably in the kit didn't get your hygrometer, but I'm going to do a little video talking about the hygrometer because this is a cool tool. I think that's about it. So thank you so much. Congratulations and Happy New Year. I'll be seeing you in the next videos.